Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get started today's session. So today topic is improve your spoken English in natural way. Okay, so before starting this topic, I give a reason why I'm not uploading video on daily basis because of my exams was so going on. That's why I'm unable to upload video. But now uh, I upload video on daily basis. So without any delay, let's get start. So how to improve your spoken English in natural way? This is a question. So if you want to improve your spoken English in natural way, then just keep one thing in your mind, like you will have to practice on daily basis. Okay, if you are practicing, one day you will able to speak of fluent English. Anything in this world want practice. If you are practicing, then one day you found good result. So keep practicing and also try to read a newspaper or novel or anything which is in English. If you are doing this thing, then you can speak of fluent English. So this is also very important, and listening is also very important. Try to listen some news which is in English and try to uh, watch movies with English subtitle and cartoon videos. All this thing is also very helpful in our spoken English journey. If you are doing this thing, then you can improve your spoken English in natural way and in very easy way, because I think this type of video is everyone can understand very easily, and try to write down which is new for you, and try to mention those things in your daily routine. Okay, and try to write down some diary or your daily routine in English in a copy or in a diary. This thing is also very helpful. If you are doing this thing, then without um, any struggle, if you are doing these little things, then you can found good result. You are doing struggle, but you cannot realize this thing, like you are struggling. Or just also keep one this thing in your mind. If you are practicing on daily basis, then you can improve yourself. If you are not practicing your English or anything, then you cannot improve yourself at any cost. So practicing and time management for anything is also very important. If you are able to do this thing, then you make yourself good in this life journey. So I hope all are you enjoying my video, and till the time I want to say tata bye bye. I will meet you in next video.